How to record phone calls on an iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. With upgrade to iOS 18, now you are able to record calls on your iPhone. Let me show you how. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of apps. Now find the app phone. Once you find it, open it. Now here you're gonna find list of options. You'll also find the option of call recording in this page. Click on that and then enable for it. Once you enable for that option, you can head back, close this. Now you can make a call. Now while you are in the call, at the top left you will find this call recording icon. Clicking on that call recording will be started. Then you'll get this kind of pop-up. This call will be recorded. Both the person will be notified that the call is being recorded. Once we are done with the recording process, you can click on this icon again. With that, the recording will be saved in the Notes app. So this way you can easily record phone calls on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.